Welcome to the best picks. The best rolled hem foot is probably one of the most underrated sewing accessories, especially if you love working with delicate fabrics. This little foot makes creating beautiful, professional-looking rolled hems a breeze, saving you time and frustration. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting out, this video will show you how to achieve perfect hems every time. Number 5. Boao Hem Presser Foot Set, 3mm, 4mm, 6mm. This set helps you create beautiful rolled hems on lightweight fabrics with ease. It comes in 3 different sizes to suit your needs. Make sure the presser foot is stable before use. Made of stainless steel, this set is built to last. The bright finish resists rust, ensuring long-term use. It's a reliable addition to your sewing kit. This set is designed for household multifunction sewing machines with over 15 stitch patterns. It may not be compatible with older or industrial models. Please check your machine specifications. The set includes 3 presser feet, 3mm, 4mm, and 6mm. Sewing with it is not difficult, but practice may be needed. It's ideal for thin fabrics, allowing you to create beautiful patterns. This foot set is designed for easy use. If it doesn't fit your machine, returns are accepted. It's a user-friendly product designed to enhance your sewing experience. What we like. This set offers 3 different sizes, giving you versatility for various projects. It's made of durable stainless steel, ensuring it lasts. If you're working with a range of fabric weights and need a reliable set, this is a great choice. What people say. I really liked that there were 3 sizes of rolled hem feet for my Singer machine. I tried all 3 on scrap fabric. What I used the rolled hem foot for was scarf material, which was somewhat slippery. It took me a few tries to properly feed the material into the foot, so that it would roll. Once I got sewing, it worked just fine. You never know when you buy these aftermarket parts if they'll fit. I ordered and received a set of these and got them in 24 hours and was hemming my organza dress immediately. They fit my ever-sewn low shank machine fine. Initially these feet didn't fit my older Singer machine. The feet are good quality and I like that they come in 3 sizes. Number 4. Singer Narrow Rolled Hem Foot for Sewing Machines. This is the Singer Narrow Rolled Hem Foot. It's designed to create a professional, narrow rolled hem. It gives your projects a clean, finished look with ease. The foot creates a perfect 1/8-inch rolled hem. This is ideal for lightweight fabrics. It's a great way to add a decorative touch. Use it on scarves, blouses, and other delicate materials. The small rolled hem adds a beautiful finish. This accessory makes sewing easy. This is a genuine Singer accessory, packaged in a carded blister pack. You can trust its quality and compatibility. It's made for your sewing machine. It's designed for low shank sewing machines. It works with brands like Babylock, Bernina, Brother, and many more. Check the list to see if it fits your machine. Downloadable instructions and video tutorials are available. You can easily learn how to use it. It's easy to get started with this foot. What we like. This foot creates a perfect 1/8-inch hem, ideal for a professional finish. It's designed for lightweight fabrics like scarves and blouses. If you're looking for a simple way to add a polished edge to delicate materials, it's perfect for you. What people say. I have been sewing for over 50 years and this is the best rolled hem foot I have ever used. It is easy to use and makes a perfect hem every time. The design of the foot allows the fabric to feed through easily and the hem is perfectly rolled. Number 3. Windman Rolled Hem Foot 3mm, 4mm, 6mm. This hem foot is designed for narrow rolled hems. It helps you achieve a professional finish with clean, even edges. It's perfect for delicate and lightweight fabrics. This foot is ideal for low shank sewing machines. It's easy to install and use, which makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers. It will enhance your hemming techniques. Crafted from sturdy zinc alloy, this hem foot is built to last. You can count on reliable performance and longevity for all your sewing projects. It includes 3 different sizes, 3mm, 4mm, and 6mm. This allows you to create precise rolled hems on a variety of fabrics. It's especially great for lightweight materials. This is ideal for creating beautiful rolled hems on fabrics like chiffon and silk. It adds a refined touch to your sewing projects. It ensures your garments look polished and professional. What we like. This hemmer foot is designed for precision hemming, ensuring clean edges on delicate fabrics. It's made from durable zinc alloy, promising longevity. If you're a beginner or experienced sewer looking to enhance your hemming techniques, you should consider this. What people say. Once you learn the trick, roll an inch or two of hem by hand and clamp it under the flat back edge of the presser foot, then work the roll into the curled part of the presser foot before starting to sew. This works like a charm. Feeding the edge into the curled part as I sewed was intuitive, and the hems came out great. Easy to use. Number 2. Hemming presser foot set for sewing machines. Tired of struggling with hems? This presser foot set is the perfect solution. It comes in 6 different sizes to fit all your sewing needs. The set includes both wide and narrow hemmer feet. This gives you the flexibility to work on various projects with different fabric weights. This foot is designed to fit most low shank sewing machines, including Brother, Singer, and Janome. It's easy to install and use. Installing this hem foot is a breeze. Simply click it onto your machine, roll your hem, and slip it into the slot. It's that easy. This hem sewing foot kit is the best accessory for accurate hem binding. We are confident that you will love it. If you're not satisfied, we offer a full refund. Get yours today. What we like. This set includes 6 different sizes, offering versatility for all your projects. It's easy to install and use, making it a great option for any skill level. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that works with most low shank machines, you should consider this. What people say. I tested 4 feet, 2 for wide hem and 2 for narrow hem, on flannel and quilting cotton, and they work very well. Works great. I used the smaller sizes to hem a chiffon bridesmaid dress and I found it super helpful. After years of hand pinning and stitching hems, I decided to try a rolled hem presser foot for my brother Inav, 15. I chose this pack as it had good reviews, was a good price and had a selection of sizes so I could be sure I would have the right one for my project. Arrived quickly and easy to fit, I chose the 6mm for one project and the 4mm foot for another. Both worked very easily after a few trials and saved me literally hours of measuring, pinning and sewing. Number 1. Hemming Foot Kit 6 PCS for sewing machines. Introducing the Hemming Foot Kit, a must-have for your sewing projects. This kit makes hemming easy and professional, perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers. The kit includes 6 different hemming feet, offering a variety of options for different fabric types and hem widths. With this set, you'll have the right tool for any project. Designed for low shank sewing machines, this foot set is easy to install and use. Simply measure your machine's shank to ensure a perfect fit, then you can start using it. The hemming foot simplifies the folding process, keeping your fabric aligned and secure. It grips the fabric firmly, making it easy to create neat and professional hems. This set includes both wide and narrow hemmer feet, suitable for various fabrics. Use the wide foot for thicker materials and the narrow foot for delicate fabrics like silk. If you have any issues with the hemming foot set, please contact us. We are committed to resolving any problems and ensuring your satisfaction. Check our shop for more presser feet. What we like. This kit includes both wide and narrow sizes, giving you options for different fabrics. It's designed for easy handling, simplifying the hemming process. If you need a versatile set for various hemming projects, this is a great choice. What people say. I had to cut off 2 inches then hem a gown made of satin. These rolled hemming feet saved the day. I highly recommend. The different feet are exactly what every beginning sewing person needs. I started my journey and didn't realize how easy these would make it until I had them. Easy Edge Sewing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.